regular expressions, JavaScript. A regular expression is a sequence of characters. Regular expression is a sequence of characters sequence of characters that forms a search pattern. Characters forms a search pattern when you search for a data in a text. For a data in text, you can use this search pattern. Use this search pattern to describe what you are searching for. Searching for a regular expression. Regular expression can be a single character or more complicated pattern. More complicated pattern. So we can use these regular expressions. Can use these regular expressions to perform all type of search, all types of text search and text replace operations. Replace operations. So we have to use test method in JavaScript. So test method is regular expression method. Regular expression method. For example, if you want to allow user to enter only text for only numbers or only characters. Okay, so you can write a regular expression for that. For example, one text box. Okay, you want to allow user can enter only digits. For this, you can write JavaScript regular expression for this text box where only numbers number is this is the variable and equal to slash and backslash d and dollar symbol slash semicolon. So this expression accepts only digits in text box, and to accept only characters where only chars equal to slash. Okay, this accepts only digits, and we can write this character numbers also. Numbers equal to 0 to 9 plus dollar symbol and a slash. So both are accept only digits. Okay, because we are specifying the length. Okay, 0 to 9 only. So between 0 to 9 numbers are only accepted. 0 to 9 numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So like this 100, 1000, 2000. So like that only numbers are allowed. And this also only numbers are allowed. To accept only characters where chars is a variable slash small a to z and caps a to z plus dollar slash. So this accept expression only accept characters small a to z or caps a to z. So using these regular expressions we can write validations for web form. For the real-time example, Google registration form is there. Create account. So here first name text was last name and email. Okay, password confirm was password, birthday, gender, and current email, phone number. So without enter any values in this text box, click on next step button. Okay, so here you can see the validations for this form. So you can't leave this empty. You can't leave this empty. You can't leave this empty. Okay, must and should you have to enter all these fields. Okay, without enter values, Google not allowed to sign up your Google account. So like this you can write JavaScript where validations, form validations using these regular expressions. So we will do an example like this. Add one HTML document, registration form. Okay, so we have to design account form like first name, last name, username, password, input type equal to text box. Before this, first name and last name field. Input type equal to text and id equal to txt, last name and placeholder last name. And for first name text box also you have to give the id txt, first name already id is there, placeholder first name. In second row, in second row email id, email id type equal to text and id txt email, placeholder email. And row third row password and confirm password. id txt password, placeholder okay, password. And in next row okay, birthday and gender. Input type birthday, select ddl month and option January, February, March, April. Okay, so we can take this 5 months and next input type equal to text and id txt day and placeholder equal to day. And next input type equal to text, id equal to txt year, and placeholder equal to year. td and gender. You can use drop down list or red border list for gender. Radio, name, gender, male, input type, radio, name, gender, female, radio, name, gender. Next row, button. Okay, next step, button. Type equal to button and value. Next step and closing tag for button. Okay, so if you run this example, okay, first name, email, password, birthday, day, year, and male, female, gender, and next step button. Okay, okay, first name, last name, your only name. So when you click on this next step button, so we have to validate the form. Okay, without enter values, we cannot submit to the server. So for this, we have to write JavaScript validations script and write function validate my form is a function name. Okay, we have to call this function name in on click event in button. Okay, validate my form. So that here first text box, first name and last name, machine should check if text box is empty or not. If text box is empty or not. Variable first name equal to, so we have to get the text box using document get element by id txt first name dot value. Okay, we are getting the text box value into first name variable. So we have to check this variable, this variable is empty or not. If first name not equal to empty. If first name variable is empty, if first name variable is empty, so we have to show the error message. Alert, please enter first name. And one more thing is, machine should, we have to accept this text box only string variables, string values. So for this, we have to write the regular expression. So we can remove this. If first name variable is not equal to empty, okay, not equal to empty, the cursor enter into if condition, and next we have to check this first name dot test method. First name dot test. In this text, so we have to give the expression for string variables where accept only strings equal to slash zero to 9 plus dollar. So we have to give this variable here accept only strings. If first name text box accept to this, not accept to this expression, you will display alert box. Please enter only string values. Okay, in this first if we have to write please enter first name. Okay, see here we are getting text box value into first name variable. After that, return expression for accept only string values in the text box. First name text box is not equal to empty. If equal to empty, go to else condition. Please enter first name alert box will display. If first name text box not equal to empty, cursor go to enter into this block and check this first name text box is only strings or not. If any numbers is there in your text, please enter only string values alert box will display. So like this we have to write for second text box also. Else if where last name equal to document or get element by id, last name not value. Here we have to check the last name also. If last name not equal to empty, cursor enter into this block. If last name text box is empty, enter into else box, else block. Please enter last name. So if text box not equal to empty, last name text box, so we have to check the expression last name dot test. Okay, we have to write this like this, last name, and here also same, except only strings dot test first name. So we have to match this first name text box value to this expression. So we are testing if text box value is equal to or not. Okay, for this expression. Alert, please enter only string values. Last name also same, except only string values. So now once run this example, click on this button, so you will get the alert box. Please enter first name. Okay, because first name text box is empty. So without enter any value, we are clicking button. Okay, please enter first name. So here we are entering numbers, and next click on next step button. Please enter last name. Okay, numbers are accepting, so this text box, but we have to accept only string values, right? For string values, already one example is there. So we have to accept this only text box, strings. Okay, small a to z and caps a to z. So if you enter any value, in this text box. Okay, first time we accept only string values. Okay, we can give the values like either small characters or caps. Okay, last time text box. And like second text box also, like please enter last name, because last name text box is empty, so we enter entering numbers. Okay, last name accept only string values, so we can enter small characters or caps. Okay, there is no alert box again, so because we have to write for all text boxes, for email also. In this last, after complete the last name text box, where email equal to document dot get element by id txt email dot value. Okay, email dot value. Now we have to check this email. Email not equal to empty. If email text box is empty, it will display the alert message. Please enter email ID. In this else part, we have to check the condition for email. For email also there is a format. So emails should contain @ okay, the email format is @abc@gmail.com or something, any text at yahoo.com. Okay, must and should we have to use @ character in the email. Okay, email format should be like this. For email also we have expression for email. Okay, this is the email expression. So we can copy this expression and paste here, where email expression. Okay, this is the email expression. So this part is before @ and this part is after @. Okay, we before @ accept only small a to z, caps a to z, and 0 to numbers, and underscore, dot, and hyphen. This expression will accept. And after a to z also, small a to z, caps a to z, and 0 to 9 numbers, and hyphen only accepted. Okay, after dot accept small a to z, caps a to z, 0 to 9 numbers, and length is only 2 to 4 numbers, 2 to characters only length. Okay, after dot for every demo domain only .com, .org, .in, okay, .uk. So should be like this for every domain. So because two numbers minimum and four numbers is maximum for domain. .com, okay, before at the rate and after at the rate. Accept only email format. Before at the rate, accept like caps, okay, and small underscore and 0 to 9 numbers, okay, dot and hyphen d at the rate gmail.com. So this format should be accepted. Okay, email format. Underscore accepted, dot accepted, and hyphen also will accept this expression. If not, email expression dot test email alert box. Please enter correct email format. Correct email format. Okay, first name text box is asking validation. After enter the first name and last name is asking last name, and after that please enter email ID. When you enter email and click on next step button, please enter correct email format. Correct email format is at the rate gmail.com or yahoo.com or anything. Must should include at the rate, okay, .com. So this will accept this format. So like this you can write password also. Password text box. Where password equal to document dot get element by id txt password dot value. So here password not equal to empty. The cursor enter into this block, otherwise else alert box please enter password. Okay, password. So your task is for today you have to give another text box, confirm password, and match the two text box values. Okay, password and confirm password. So you have to write the expression here. Okay, in this area, in this block, you have to write the expression for password and confirm password. And next, birthday and gender. Where month equal to document or get element by id, ddl month dot value. Okay, this is the first option. If month value not equal to this select value, cursor enter into this block, otherwise please select month, select month, and after that day, where day equal to document or get element by id txt day dot value. Like this here also, they are equal to document dot get element by id year. If txt day not equal to empty, and else part alert, please enter day. If txt if year not equal to empty, in else part please enter year. After you enter all the values successfully, it will display success alert box. Okay, so this is the validation for registration. Okay, first name is asking and last name also asking validation, and finally email also asking correct email format @com, and next one is password, please enter password also accepting, and next one is please select month, January, please enter year, without enter day, so please enter year.
లైన్ 93లో అది టీఎక్స్టీ డే కాదండి, జస్ట్ డే.
ఓకే, ఇక్కడ డే కదా, first name and last name, email ID, and password, and month. Okay, enter day, enter year. Okay, success. After enter all the values, it will display success message. So we have to write for gender also.